Net gas started the week above 3 but failed to stay above 3.22 levels. We have seen now a retracement, it is now come closer to 2.96 level, the next support. Now, what does this mean for net gas? Can we expect a rise from here? Can we expect it to break out above 3.02 and stay bullish and fly towards 3.05, 3.2 zone? Or is it still going to stay bearish and the prices are a little divergent from the 20 period moving? And on the daily charts also similar observation. Yes, starting flat and staying bearish, 3.02 levels appear to be a great resistance as we have seen many a times. Which position you should take trading net gas today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Listen to it carefully and watch till the end. Let's start. Look at the hourly charts. It has yielded a gap up, but then 3.02 again proven out to be a greater resistance. Also, gas has yielded lower highs, and hence I will wait for 3.02 levels to be breached on the upside for it to confirm the rise and march. Because see, once it stays above 3.802, certainly the bulls will take over from there towards 3.05, 3.1, and then directly to 3.2 levels. Right now, if you look at the hourly charts, the moving averages have started to converge a bit, but it has not yet crossed over. Prices are just taking the support from the 50 period moving average as of now, and hence below 2.95 levels. When you see this price below 2.95 and 94, this is going to be a maximum support zone 2.9594. Below that, you can initiate a sell entry for 2.9 to 2.9, the next stronger support. Only below 2.9 is where further bearishness is going to prevail. As long as 2.9 is respected, we are not going to treat net gas as bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish. It has seen higher highs and since then have dropped. RSI is looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, lower highs, lower lows. If you note this, it is trying to create a channel. The bottom of this channel somewhere here at around 2.9, 2.85 zone. Great support exists here. But if you look at the candle size here, the candle size is diminishing. The bearishness is getting diminished. Support is seen at 2.95, which is definitely a good support. At the same time, I will recommend you to buy at 2.98, but then 3.02. It has to break above 3.02 levels in order to confirm a rise. I am again and again reiterating this fact. You should keep a note of this. If you look at the moving averages, these are trading parallel and these are still in the bullish or buying zone. Stochastic back to oversold. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. Now this is an important point because see the crossover in MACD has happened at a higher levels. This, see the waves here, first wave, second wave, and now it is starting the third wave here. So the bearishness is still there, but it does not mean that it cannot continue on the upside. See, when it is bullish, it has achieved the extremes here. Right now, very much staying within this zone itself, it is just showing cyclical moves. RSI is looking downwards, trying to trade with slight bearishness. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts. See lower highs here. Bearish candles are getting formed. Support is seen here at 2.9695 levels from the 20 period. I will recommend you to sell at 2.95, but then be careful 2.94. See, this is the completely stronger support zone between 2.9495. Below 2.94 is where the bears will take over for 2.9 to 2.9. And 2.9 is the only level which will confirm the bears in net gas. As long as 2.9 is respected, should not be treating net gas as bearish. Remember this fact. Stochastic looking down. MACD, now see MACD is trading with divergence. MACD is staying bearish. It is looking downwards. See the waves here. Though it has a potential for it to rise, however, a little retracement on the downside cannot be denied. If you look at the RSI, this is also staying bearish, looking downwards. Coming to 4 hour charts, yes, getting the support here, but this is just two red candles. Third red candle may appear. It can try to move towards 2.9 levels. 2.9 levels, 2.92 levels are a great support. As long as 2.9, again and again I am reiterating these facts. Now see why I am saying so. You should note this fact. Bottom here at 2.8, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen since then. Now if you note this, the bottom of this channel right now at around 2.9294 zone, and then the breakout is only below 2.9. That is why I say 2.9 is going to be a great resistance zone. What it is trying to do, the prices were divergent from the 20 period 50 period moving average. At best it may try to converge towards this zone before looking forward to a rise. Stochastic is staying bearish. Now see, MACD has just crossed over on the 4-hour charts, and this is a bearish cross. This is the first red candle. We can see couple or more red candles from here, which suggests little more bearishness may prevail. RSI is looking down, trying to stay bearish. Coming to the on the daily charts, moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. Prices were little divergent from the moving average. It is just trying to converge towards the moving average. Support is seen here at around 2.8, 2.86, 2.9 zone. This is the 20 period moving average. Resistance at around 3.02. Very good resistance exists here. Yes, I will still recommend you to buy 2.98 itself and then expect it to move towards 3.02 levels. Remember, any breakout beyond 3.02, do not think of selling gas once it stays above 3.02. This is a breakout and this might continue for a while. If it stays above 3.02, the targets are 3.05, 3.1, 3.2 directly. On the downside, you can sell here at 2.95 itself, below 2.95. This price has to be below 2.95. Once it stays below 2.9, 2.94929, very good support at around 2. And then 2.86 level. This is a completely stronger support zone. Not only it is the bottom of the channel, but also the 20 period moving average lying over there. The support levels are seen at 2.9, 2.86 zone, and below that 2.83, 2.8. Now these levels we have been tracking since long, appears to be nearby, but remember, when it is bullish, then obviously the support levels on the downside are going to play a critical role and are going to remain at a very nearby levels, because see, once it has got support levels on the downside failing to break past by, the chances of a reversal will always increase, and hence we have to trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Also, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you become profitably and proficiently. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And yes, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, share, comment, subscribe is a great support motivation for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my abilities. Or join my free Telegram channel to get the more live updates. The links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Do see you again tomorrow with more updates on major global markets and commodities, including gold, silver, oil, gas, and Dow Jones, Nasdaq, UK, and FTSE, UK and Germany. Watch the updates. Stay tuned. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.